On October 28, 1943, the U.S. Navy achieved the impossible: teleportation, invisibility, and time travel. But what if what really happened was a disaster covered up by decades of conspiracy? During World War II, German submarines were wreaking havoc among American destroyers. To win the battle in the Atlantic, the Navy launched a secret project at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard, where the destroyer USS Eldridge was equipped with huge generators. These were said to create a magnetic field capable of making the ship invisible to enemy radar and mines. The test was triggered in broad daylight, in full view of other ships. A mysterious green mist enveloped the entire ship. When it cleared, the Eldridge was gone. It reappeared, it is said, in Norfolk, Virginia, more than 400 kilometers away, and 10 minutes before it disappeared. Then it returned to Philadelphia, but something was deeply wrong. Witnesses claim that several crew members were found fused with the ship's structure at a molecular level. Others reportedly suffered severe burns, while some went mad or disappeared without a trace. Officially, the Navy denies any involvement in such an experiment. In reality, however, degaussing tests were indeed being conducted at that time, procedures designed to reduce the magnetic signature of ships to avoid triggering German mines. But these had nothing to do with teleportation or invisibility. The legend took shape in 1955 when Maurice Jessup, an astronomer and author, received a strange letter from a man named Carlos Allende. He claimed to have witnessed the ship's disappearance and knew the science behind the phenomenon, a theory based on Einstein's unified field. Despite the absurdity, the U.S. Office of Naval Research was interested in the case. Conspiracy theorists argue that this interest raises questions. Tragically, Maurice Jessup died in 1959, apparently committing suicide by carbon monoxide poisoning. Many believe he knew too much and that his death was not accidental. Was the Eldridge the victim of an unusual experiment? Regardless of the answer, the Philadelphia experiment remains a symbol of our attraction to the unknown, a story that, even without clear evidence, has become legendary.